And now, the moment you have been waiting for, the very much long overdue Midsummer Garden Update with your host, Tasha, aka Mom Turned Minimalist, bringing you the most up-to-date coverage of the back of her yard. And now, let's go to your host, Tasha. Hey guys, Tasha here, Mom Turned Minimalist, back with another video. And today's video is just going to be a quick garden update because there were a bunch of you that wanted to see a garden update. Maybe, okay, so by a bunch I mean 6, but 6 is better than 0. So for you guys, I wanted to just do this. This isn't going to be quite as polished as my other videos because I'm in the midst of moving and this is a quick update, but it will be very fruitful. Alright, let's get to it. Just as a refresher, this is what I was starting out with at the beginning of June. Everything was itty bitty, lots of room for growth, literally. And this is footage from 5 weeks later. A lot of our lettuces are going to seed already, so like these, that's gonna be some seed soon. But some of these guys still hanging out down here. My red leaf lettuce, and these are ones from my aunties. Oh man, the air conditioning's on. And here's all the kale, cause kale, yeah, kale's doing great, chillin'. And we got our crazy green onion right there. But yeah, just a lot of lettuce. Tomatoes are coming along, so we've been able to pick a few. This is today's harvest. Just this, no, just kidding. Kale, some more kale, and a bunch of tomatoes. These are 4th of July's, and these are, I don't know, like yellow golds. Sunny golds, yellow golds, but they're so yummy. They're sweet. They're sweet. They're my favorite tomatoes in the whole wide world. And if I don't ever grow any other type of tomato, I'm gonna grow these because they're sweet and they're great for salad. We weren't sure what kind of tomatoes these are. Still not sure, but they look like they're bigger than the yellow golds that I usually grow. And then here's some okra that I popped in the ground just because I was like, let's just try it. So I was supposed to pick the strongest one, but I just couldn't, so they're all just gonna hang out, I don't know. And then I got some like cucumber back here. I need to put like a, see it in the jungle? I need to put a cage around it so it can crawl up and grow to like the deck. There's some more cucumber over here, because honestly, I didn't know that the cucumber was gonna grow, so I just kind of threw it in the ground because that's how I roll. Here we got raspberries. And we got some more berries. Look, I'm gonna eat these. Ooh, this is my first year growing raspberries. I'm really sad because we got our garden to be like where we wanted it to be, and I didn't know if raspberries were gonna grow, but look at that, I got raspberries. That's so cool. Okay, and we got blueberries. They're doing all right, but the birds, man, the birds, they in it to win it, and it's okay. We can share with the birds for now. And then blackberries, tons of blackberries. So this is the season for picking. There's a lot of blackberries. Look at this. I'll probably bring some to work. All right, zucchini's doing great. We got some in here ready to pick. You just gotta like, see it's like lurking in there. Yeah, they be hiding. Like I don't think anything's coming and then suddenly there's like zucchini. Peekaboo, that's cool. And then compost, we have to turn it again, but it's doing better. The shot put from my shed declutter is still there. We'll work on that. Crazy mint over there. We don't do anything about that. My neighbor's growing watermelon, so these are the watermelon vines coming, and we like sharing the wealth. Some more lettuce. It's all going to seed soon. Marigolds, sunflowers. They are getting ready. I can't wait. That'll be awesome. And then over here we got the yellow squash. Just picked these up from my free squash, my compost squash. And then we got sunflowers. Look, it's opening up. And 3 days later, more sunflowers opened up, and I am very happy. Ooh, we got tomatoes. There's no tomatoes on that guy, but this guy got tomatoes. What you looking like? We don't know yet what kind they are, but they come in, they free. All right, so yeah, and then over here, I'm like doing this on my lunch break. We got more lettuce. Just watered it because it was looking kind of sad, but they look like they're gonna go to seed soon. But you know, these were all free, so I'm cool with it. And then these lettuces definitely going to seed. But oh yeah, strawberries doing okay. I haven't been able to water them, and they're kind of sunburnt, but they're gonna be okay. Like, they're gonna get used to being out here because we had to relocate them because the raised garden bed kind of collapsed on me, so we relocated them in the middle of the night. Not in the middle of the night, but now it's time for a collage of some of my harvests. Being able to grow some of my own food has been awesome. I never pinned myself to be a gardener, but anything is possible. I mean, look at me. I'm doing all the things. Do any of you guys have a garden? If so, what are you growing in it? Even if you don't have a garden, please let me know what your favorite fruits and veggies are below. I'd love to hear from you, and maybe I'll even feature your comment in my next video, if that matters to you. I can't find the outro I filmed, so I hope you enjoy this oatmeal that I added my freshly picked blackberries to, and I will see you next time here. Thanks so much for watching.